This piano tuning hammer found on Amazon is supplied by InTune Piano Supply. The lever has similar qualities to the rosewood lever distributed by Shaft Piano Supply, except that the handle isn't wooden. The pros about this piano tuning hammer is that it's widely distributed on Amazon. It has a relatively low cost of about $80, and it's similar to a higher priced rosewood lever offered at piano supply companies like Shaft. Now, the drawbacks to this tuning hammer is that it's far too flexible. When you have this on a tuning pin, it's going to feel like this hammer flexes far too much. This is low-grade composite handle material, and it has a very basic design. Similarly to the rosewood tuning hammer I described earlier, this piano tuning hammer is far too flexible for professional use. I'd recommend buying this tuning lever if you want 3 different things. 1. You want experience with a flexible tuning hammer. 2. You'd like to get the lever quickly on Amazon. 3. You also want a good price. Now, I wouldn't recommend buying this lever if it's your very first lever. 2. If you're searching for a professional grade tuning hammer, this is not going to cut it. 3. If you want a very rigid tuning hammer, this is not your lever. This has far too much flexibility if you want a rigid tuning hammer. Again, rigid tuning hammers are best so you don't lose your energy when you're tuning the whole piano. At the end of the day, I think this tuning lever is worth it for $80 or $90 from InTune Piano Supply. That's because while it might not be the tuning lever that you use every day, it gives you access to a flexible tuning hammer for a low cost, and you can get it on Amazon. Now, if this were the only tuning hammer that you would own, I really wouldn't recommend it because there are much other higher quality levers for only a couple $100 more. One of the reasons why this lever is less expensive is because of the composite material of the handle. Other levers, like the rosewood lever, comes with a wooden handle that is much more expensive just because it's made out of wood. Due to the composite parts, this hammer is about 1/3 of the cost. As far as quality, tuning with a wooden lever or a composite lever doesn't really make a difference in the feel. You might be able to see it, but otherwise, I would just ignore it. I wouldn't really bother that, oh, this is a composite handle or not. You're just saving a boatload of money because it's a composite, less expensive material. I hope you enjoyed my review of this piano tuning hammer from InTune Piano Supply.